Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how you can actually invite people or without adding them to your friend list. So, first of all guys, you will need to open first Valorant and head up to the client. After that, I will need you guys to launch the game. Now, in order to invite people, there's multiple ways. The first one, which is the pretty simple one, which is by adding them to your friend list and then inviting them. So, for example, click on here, click on invite, and they will be invited. Or you can just click in this and they will be invited from here. So, you can just see the friend list here, the players that are ready to be playing with. You can just invite it from here. Well, sometimes you will be like in a position while, like, for example, let's say, for example, that you are a streamer and you wanted to play with one of your viewers without adding them. So what you can do in this position is it is really simple. So you just have to go to a rated or whatever game you want to go to, then you click on one of these things in here, click here, and basically you just have to tap the name with the code, so something like that. You add the code, hashtag, etc., and just like that you it's just pretty as simple as that, and then invite. So if the player will existed, it will be invited. Now, for the custom game, it is the same thing. Instead, you don't have these things which are these triangles. So what you have to do is just go here to the custom game, invite them from here, and do the same thing. Well, sometimes you will be playing with some people. So let's say, for example, let's say that we went to this game and you wanted to play with one of your teammates. So the only way to actually play with those teammates is by hovering above their name, looking at their name and their code, and do the same step that I showed you, which is invite, name, hashtag, and then the number. So yeah guys, that's how you can invite people to your game without adding them to your friend list. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.